Let's go to the sink, turn on the tap. Wash away the germs on and out. Don't take a nap. Squeeze out some soap and watch it foam. Time to make our hands feel like home. With water and bubbles, we're having a blast. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Get them nice and clean, front and back and in between. Make those fingers gleam. Scrub each finger, don't leave a spot. Let's dance around, give it all we got. Rinse them off and we'll shout hooray. Now our hands are clean, let's play